wondering how to sew stacks of paper together, glue them into a binding, and then package it all in a beautiful linen handmade cover? This video is not for you. Sure, you can find tons of videos on YouTube on how to fold, trim, sew, cut, and glue your book together like an 18th century artisan. But here at Lulu, we prefer to leave it up to the professionals. So this week, we're getting back to basics and talking about what it takes to make a book. From writing and editing to formatting and design, all the way to getting the book in the hands of your customers. Join us, won't you? The first step in making a book is planning. As some wise person said several years ago, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So start by thinking about your goals. Do you want to just print your book or maybe have some copies for friends and family? Or do you want to sell the book and try to make some revenue from it? And if you said sell, then how will you sell it? You can sell through the Lulu Bookstore, you can sell through global distribution, or you can sell direct. Or all three. The next thing you'll want to think about is, do you need an ISBN? So if you're not sure what that means, then be sure to check out our other videos. But if you said you wanted to sell through retail distribution or global distribution, then you will need an ISBN. So we have two options for you at Lulu. You can either bring your own or get a free one from us. Next up is market research. So in this phase of the planning process, you'll want to look at other books that are in your genre. You'll want to figure out what problem your book solves specifically. That's really for nonfiction authors. And if you're a fiction author, what's your hook? What is making your book different? Also in the market research phase, you're going to want to do your audience research. So who is your target audience? Who is your book for? You're going to want to get really clear on who will benefit the most from your book and figure out how you can reach them online and in person. Next up in the planning process is create a budget. So self-publishing can be very cost-effective, but there's still a cost. So things like ordering proof copies or sending copies out to beta readers or hiring editors or formatters or cover designers, all of those things you may want to account for in your budget. So if you're not sure where to start with that, be sure to check out our video on building your publishing dream team. Next up is writing and editing. Can't skip this part. So you're gonna either have to write the book or compile all of your content to create a book from it. So once you have all of your content in one place, be sure to go through and revise it, make sure everything that you wanted to add is included and it all flows nicely, and then edit the thing. So when you get to the editing process, we highly recommend you work with professionals, and you may want to consider hiring more than one editor to make the best book possible. Next up is formatting. So first you'll want to decide your book size before you can move on to formatting. And this may sound obvious, but if you're looking to make a 6x9 book, then you will need to have a 6x9 interior file. So once you decide on what your trim size and format will be, you can go to lulu.com/pricing, enter that information in, and get customized templates for your specific book so you know everything will fit perfectly when you're ready to upload. When you're ready to format your book, look at other professionally published books and really take note of the details, like the headers and footers and page numbers, the justification, and the margins. This is going to help you understand the genre expectations and give you a good idea of what your finished product should look like. You'll also want to make sure that you have your front and back matter included in your interior file. So that includes your half title page, your full title page, your dedication, your copyright, and your table of contents. Check out our video on 5 visual indicators your book is self-published for more tips on how to make a beautiful book. Next up is cover design. So we recommend that you work with a professional to make a cover for your book, but if you're not ready to do that yet, you can also use Lulu's Cover Creator or a design service like Canva to create a really beautiful cover for your book. Whether you work with a professional or decide to go it alone, be sure to check out our video on cover design basics for design tips and advice. Some technical aspects of creating a cover are that your cover is made of 3 parts. So your front cover, the spine, and the back cover, but they're all combined to make one document. Another thing to think about is if you're making a hardcover or paperback book, your spine width is going to be determined by your page count. The easiest way to get the right cover size is to enter in your book's trim size and page count in Lulu's pricing calculator so we can create custom templates sized specifically for your book so you can create your cover. Now it's time to publish. Take your interior file and your cover file and bring them to Lulu to publish. Or wherever. Here's a quick overview of the publishing process on Lulu. Select a product type and goal, whether you want to print or sell. Enter in your book details. Upload your interior file. Enter in your book specifications. Upload your cover file or create one with Lulu's Cover Creator. Add any additional details, such as payment information if you want to sell your book. And then publish. Once you publish, I know it's exciting. I know you want to tell everyone in the world to go buy your book. But stop for a second, breathe, congratulate yourself, and then order a proof copy. Even if you just want to print copies of your book, order a proof copy. I promise you're gonna find something wrong or something that you'd want to change. Unless you're perfect. And then if you're selling, it's time to sell. So with Lulu, you can sell through the Lulu Bookstore, you can sell through global distribution, but if you are selling, make sure you're selling direct. With Lulu Direct, you never have to worry about inventory, you get paid instantly, you can earn more revenue per sale, you collect customer data, and you automate the print and fulfillment of your books and can take advantage of white label shipping. With Lulu Direct, you can sell directly through your website and connect with your audience. Click the link in the description below to learn more. And that, my friend, is how you make a book. It's easy enough, right? So what are you still doing here? Get out there and make your masterpiece. But before, hit like, hit subscribe, leave us a comment, and we'll see you next time.